Today, I'm going to guide you through the super easy process of buying mutual funds on Wealthsimple, so let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Wealthsimple account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and straightforward. Just head to wealthsimple.com and follow the registration steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to the investing section. Here, you'll see a variety of investment options. Click on Explore to start your search for mutual funds. Now, use the search bar to find the mutual fund you're interested in. You can type in the fund's name or its ticker symbol. Wealthsimple offers access to a wide range of mutual funds, including equity, bond, and balanced portfolios. After selecting the mutual fund, you'll go to its detail page. Here, you can review important information such as past performance, management fees (MERS), and the fund's objectives. Next, decide how much you want to invest. Enter the amount in the investment box and click Buy. Review your order details carefully. Don't forget to check for any fees or charges, as these can impact your returns over time. Wealthsimple clearly lists these fees to help you make an informed decision. Finally, click Confirm Order to complete your purchase. Wealthsimple will handle your transaction, and you'll get a confirmation email once your order is processed. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a mutual fund on Wealthsimple.